Hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Thank you. Fine. Okay, we are going to see today for the creating a website using Google Sites. Hope you all know, you have heard about the Google Sites. It is not open source, it is an open tool because they don't share the code, but they are sharing the tool. It has all the features. One thing I just want to share, you guys don't need IT skills. You don't need any HTML code, or you don't need any website designing skills. You just need only interest to learn the new skills. That's it. So I'm not going to tell you any other technical things. There are already options are being there, how you have to enable, what things you have to do. Only that is what I'm going to share. So let us go to the session. And first, we are going to see the website designing. Before going that, I just want to show you the other websites which we have created recently. Ma'am, can you hear the? Can you see the other website, the library website? My screen.
oh, no, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, the first slide is on. Now visible, sir. Now it is up here.
Okay, the website you can see.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So this is the website we have recently developed. It has all the features. You can see each and every pages.
Sir, your PowerPoint only we can see that, sir. No, the website,
Only PowerPoint.
only PowerPoint only.
Okay. Okay, hope now you can see the screen.
You can see now.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is the website we have recently developed for our library. So it has all the functioning, the homepage, it has the hyperlink on the left hand side, and you can see on the top, there is a logo, there is a library name, and you can see all the content. You can see the library hyperlinks for the online databases, Enlist, Delnet, like Moodle, Samachir Kalvi, and whatever that you want, you can just include. At the bottom, you can see some images. You can include images, and the footer also you can edit. So this is what we are going to create for you. So let me go to the session directly. I'll just share the PPT.
இங்க நிறைய மெசேஜ் அனுப்புறாங்க இந்த சாட்னு காட்டும் இன்வைட்னு காட்டுது
Okay, can you see my PowerPoint now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
are going
sir.
to see only very few points, like adding the site name. So these are all the main things will come in the home page. And next, adding the image and videos and the hyperlink. Then the navigation bar. You know what is navigation bar? Navigation bar, it is what link you are going to view. That is what. And a collapsible text. Collapsible text means there are some options you can hide the text and you can remove the text at any time. Map particularly for the contact. When you add any contact, you can share the map with your location. And this next thing is image slideshow. If you have n number of images, you can rotate one by one. It will scroll.
Sir,
Like,
sir, 1 minute, sir.
yeah, please, ma'am.
Okay, now you can. Okay, sir.
There is the option for image slide share. Like you can slide n number of images, like rotating one by one. It will be auto rotate. You can set the timing, whether slow or fast or medium. So these are all the things we are going to see. The next thing is additional pages. You can add n number of additional pages. There is no restriction at all. I mean, now today we are going to see only for 5 pages quick website designing, but there is no limit. You can add n number of pages. And the next thing is settings. There are some setting options there. You have to insert your logo, and there are some other settings. That is what you are going to see. Only these are the main things we are going to focus it today. So let me go to directly to the okay. Can you see the screen?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, okay. So there are two ways you can log in. One is through your Gmail account. You can log in with your login credential, or you can just directly type sites dot this one sites.google.com. Hope you can see the screen. Dhanavati ma'am, you can see the screen?
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine, thank you. So this is what the two options. One is you can log in with your existing Gmail account, or you can directly type sites.google.com. Once you type sites.google.com, just enter. This is the screen you will see. So same Gmail account.
என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னு கேளுமா. ஃபுல்லா படிச்சு பாருங்க.
மியூட் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க மைக்ரோஃபோனு.
வேற ஏதோ சொல்லுங்க.
Participants, please mute your mic.
Okay, once you logged in with your username password, you will see this screen. There are two options. One is on the top, you will see the plus arrow like a blank. The other one is down at the right hand side bottom, you will see the plus mark. So this is what creating the web page. If you see the hype, I mean, when you touch the screen, you will see
கிரியேட் பண்றதா சொல்லுது.
அதான் கூகுள்ல போய் தான் கிரியேட் பண்ணுமா?
ஆமா.
Participants, please mute your mic, all of you.
so this is what once you click on it, it will show you create a new site. So this is what on the top, there are some already existing templates. If you want, you can see the restaurant portfolio. It is for your personal, it is for the event, it is for the help desk. So this is what I'll just show you some templates what already exists. See, this is for the personal, this is for the work, this is for the education. This is what the home page you will be seeing. So there are four options. Enter your site name and your site, your page name. On the down, you
Sir,
will
we
see.
can't hear you, sir.
Sorry?
We can't hear you.
Dhanavati ma'am, can you hear me?
Can yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay, ma'am, can you just check your mic or the sound? People can hear.
Now we can hear, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the home page that you can, at the down, you will be seeing the footer, odd footer. So this is what first your home page. I'm going to just type any college name, like just Bangalore College, whatever, it is up to you. You can just select. Even the site name you can give, like Bangalore College. So now you have the page. You can just select, you can make the bold. There are some options like a title, heading, subheading. This is like a size of the font. You can see the size. You can change whatever that you want. I'll just make it as a title, header, make it bold. And there is some option for image, change your image. There are two options. One is upload, the other is option is select image. Upload in the sense from your system if you have already. Select means it is from the website or from the Google Drive or the gallery. For example, this is the gallery from the Gmail. I mean, I'll select one of them. You can see the background image. For example, you can even select directly from the Google. See the option, you can just select. You can take any image that you want. Let me take this one. You can see the background, the image has been changed. And the banner also, there are some options. There are 4 options. One is cover, it will be little bigger. The other one is large banner. The other one is only banner. The other one is only title without any image or anything. So I always prefer for the banner, so that you will be having the background image as well as the text. Okay, now we have the title page and the background image. Now I'm going to add the footer. What normally it comes in the footer? Just a copyright. This copyright, you can just add the image what exactly will come. Okay, just make it bold, make it center if you want, whatever you can align left. This is what. So now you have your home page title, background image, and the footer. Now you are going to add the text box. Just double click on the middle wherever that you want. There are 4 options will come. On the top, it is called image. The other one is from the upload option, from the drive or from your systems. The second option is from the drive. If you have anything from your Google Drive, you can just directly get. The other one is embedded. If you want, you can embed any kind of text. Let me go to the text box. You have to have a content with you. So I have some content with me already. So let me take some content. This is I prepared for my library. So I'll just take some text. You can add about the college. It is not only for the institution, you can even open your a personal website. So whatever that you want, you can add the text. So once you select the text, there is same option. If you want, you can align. If you want, you can make the bold or header or subheader or whatever. See, it will be changing. And there are some options. For example, if you select from the any other website, you can clear the format. If you clear the format, you can align by your own. If you don't do it, whatever the copy you made it from the website, it will be appear here. So I prefer always you have to do the clear formatting. Once you clear it, just you make it normal text, just alignment. Only these things if you want to make bold, header. So this is the way. And there is no restrictions. You can add n number of boxes. For example, other boxes. Okay. At the same time, you can just move the box at any length and anywhere. See, you can drag, you can bring it down. And I'll show you some background option. Hope you can see me the sectional background. This option, if you click, this is the sectional background. Only for this section, if you want to change the color or anything, go to this particular section. I'll just change second option. You will see the color difference. Only for this particular section, the color has been changed. If you want to insert any images, you can insert same from what we have seen before, the same option, select upload or from select images. I'll show you in the next slide. So this is what, and you can just minimize like this. If you want, you can add one more slide, one more boxes. Here you can just add some images. Okay, I'll just show you some other options. On the left, right hand side, there is insert, page and theme. I'll go to this insert, there is a image option. Just click on it, same option, upload or select. Let me upload from my local systems, just for the demo purpose. For example, I'll add the logo. See, it will be coming. This also you can just delete, or you can resize, whatever that you want, you can do it. This image you can add here. See, this is what. And if you want to add any hyperlink, I'll just show you. Let me delete this logo. Now I have the link. I'm going to give the hyperlink, online database or my profile. If you have a personal website, take it my profile. And I have already my profile page. I'm going to give the hyperlink. Just select. You will see here on the top, insert link. Here you can insert whatever the link that you want. For example, I have given my profile. So sites.google.com/view/Dr. N. Sundar. It is my page. So I'm just giving the hyperlink. Now you can see the difference. The color has been changed. For example, if you want to give any online databases like Delnet, you can select Delnet. You can give the hyperlink, whatever that you want. I'm going to give you the Gmail option so that I can show you whether the link is opening or not. Just Gmail. The color has been changed. Okay, now we have seen the inserting image, the home page, the text boxes, and the footer. This is your home page. Now you have all the options in the home page. Now if you want to insert any other images down, you can just click insert some images, whether it is from the Google, anything, any image you can. Okay, once you insert the image, there is some option like you can grab, or you can just rechange the size. You can add the caption, for example, other compass. Make it bold, make it center. So like this. So you can add n number of images. Okay, let me finish the home page. What you have to do the next, I will show you on the top. You'll be seeing some other options on the top. The first one is undo lost section. This all you know. This is the preview options. I will just click on the preview. This is what your website page is. See, now your website is ready. So this is your website. See, everything is been there. The title and the hyperlink. Hyperlink, I'll show you the link whether it is working or not after publishing. The thing you have to publish, until you publish, it will not be there in the internet. It will be only your local systems. There are some other options like a mobile view. I'll just show you. This is the mobile view. And this is for the tablet. This is for the laptop and the computers. So there is no any restrictions even for the mobile access. It can be easily. Okay, let me publish the link. So you have to come here all the way for the publishing. We will publish, then we will see how your page looks. See, this is what. While you publish, it will be asking the website address, what you're going to give. See, this is your website link, or whatever you type here, it will be appearing here. For example, I'll remove here just BANCOL, BAN College, like simple. Whatever you type, it will be appear here. So this is what your whole website page is. The link you copy here, or it will be there even inside. Let me publish. We'll see how it looks. Now I published your page. Once you publish, there is an option here. Copy the published site link. You can just directly copy. So this is what your page link. Copy the link. You can paste. Just enter. You will see this is what your page. So this is the website. Now you have your website. That's it. The home page. Let me check the hyperlink whether it is working or not. See, it is directing to my a personal website. I have given the link. See, it is working. So the link is working. For the Delnet, I have given for the Gmail. Click on it. It will go to the Gmail. Yeah, so it means what? The hyperlink is being working. Okay, now go to the page. Now I'm going to add the next pages, additional pages. Come back here, insert, then the pages. Click on this one. Now you have only the home page. Come down, you'll be seeing the plus mark. So this is called the creating the new page. Just click on it. The new page, what you are going to add, about or introduction, whatever. I'll just type introduction. See, now you have your home page and introduction, the next page. See on the top, it will be appearing the navigation bar, introduction and the home page. Now you are in the introduction sections. Same way you can add whatever that you want. For the introduction, same. If you want, you can just modify the font, whether header, make it small, make it bold, make it center or right corner, left corner, whatever that you want, you can do it. Even the image, if you want, you can change. I will take it from the gallery. So now you have the introduction page. Same way, click. Text, you can copy whatever that you want to give. This is my introduction or goal, whatever. Now I'm going to show you some other option. Now we have the additional pages. In additional page, I'm going to show you some other option. Go to insert. There are so many options. I'll come down. Collapsible text. This is what I want to show you. Collapsible text. Just note down the collapsible text. Just demo one. And down there is a text box. You can just type n number of text that you want. I have some text, I will add it. Now I'm going to add one more collapse. Demo 2. Okay. Now I will add some other images. Okay, now I will publish. We will see how it looks. When you publish, it will be asking where you have made a change. Ordered only introduction. Just publish. Yeah, it is published. Go to your page and just refresh. Yeah, this is your page. On the top, you will be seeing the home and introduction. Home page, you know already. Go to introduction. See, this is your introduction page. The second page, you have added what? The image, background image, and the goal, and demo 1 and demo 2. See, you need the collapsible text options. If you click, it will be looking, you can see the text under the demo options. So this is called collapsible text. I'll come down. There is one more collapsible. See, you can hide the text. You can keep only the headings. So this is called collapsible text. I'll go to the website. I will go to the page. I will add one more new page. Click, for example, fees detail. I'm just typing something. Later we can change. Here I just want to show you some other option. Come here, go to insert. We have seen the collapsible text. Now I want to show you the image carousel. What is it? The image carousel, I have shown the image rotation option, right? The slides here. You have to add minimum 2 images. Upload from your local system. I just want to add 3 images. Okay. I added 4 to 5 images. On the top, you will be seeing the wheel option. Click on it, settings. It will show the dot. I will show you what is dot. Show the caption options and auto start. You click on the auto start. You have the options, the speed, whether you want the slow or you want very slow or medium. I'll make it medium. We'll see how it works. Just insert. I inserted all the image. You just scroll, make it in the center. I recommend you have to grab all the images in a same size so that it will be easily rotating. It will be looking nice. I will publish, then we will see. Now we have the third page. 3 pages we have designed. I published. Let me refresh my website. Okay, I refreshed. There are 3 pages now: home page, introduction, and the fees detail. Go to the fees detail. We will see what is it. See the image. I'm not clicking anything. The image itself rotating. The speed I set as a medium. If you want to fast, you can just set it at a fast. It will be fast. Hope you all can see the image rotation. Dhanavadi ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you can see the rotation, right?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So this is called the slide shows. So now we have 3 pages. I'll just show you some other options. Go to your website. I'll add one more page. Click on it. Contact. Now I have the 4th page, contact. I'm going to just change the image. I will take it from the gallery.
So all the participants, please mute your mic, please.
See that this is the 4th page with the contact. Here I'm going to add the map. Come to insert. There is a down option. Now we have seen collapsible text, image carol, and the map option. Just click on the map. I'm going to add the contact, my location. For example, Bangalore. Within Bangalore, nearby railway station or the palace. Let me select the palace. See, this is the map. Just you select. See the location. I have added my location. Here I just add some home pages or the text bar. Dr. N. Sundar. All my details I can add. Okay, now I have the map options. Let me publish. Now I have 4 pages. Just publish. Go to my page and refresh. See on the top, you'll be see home, introduction, contact, and fees details. Go to contact. See the background image has been changed. The map has been updated. Sidebar, my text options, my contact details. So this is what. So now you have your complete website, the home page with all the background, the title page, the hyperlink, the background image or background color, and the bottom footer and the additional pages. So this is what, let me show you some other options, adding the videos. Go to the page. See this, you can change any order. For example, contact has to come at the bottom. You just select and drag down. Page fees, if you want to go to the second, you can select. It will be changing easily. So this is what the options. I'm going to add one more new page, fifth page. For example, anything about us, something. Later you change. Now I'm in the fifth page. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to add some video. Come to insert option. Go to YouTube video. For example, if you are designing your any other page, you can just select some song or some video. Just movie song. Let me select this. See here I have added some movie. Let me come down. Here I'm going to add some slides for PowerPoint presentation. This selection you have to have from your Google Drive. Then go back. Then what else? Any other sheets? If you want to add any other sheets that you can add. See, now I have added 3 options. One is video from directly YouTube. The other one is for the PPT. The other one is table. See these you can just adjust anywhere that you want. Click, make it center. Click, make it center. Now let me publish and we'll see how it looks. Just publish. Go to your page and just refresh. Yeah. Now you have 5 pages. Your home page, introduction, about, fees, and the contact. Now we added the about, right? About us. Come here. See the YouTube video. You can directly click and watch. See the PowerPoint presentation. You can go to slide. Just play. It will go one by one. See. Hope you can see the slides are played. That's it. And calm down. There is a sheet you have added. So this is what the options. Now you know each and everything. What are the options are available from the Google sites. Now you have 5 pages of your website, your own website. There is no restrictions at all. You can create for your institution or even for your department or even for your own page. For example, if you want to have your personal website, you can. So this is what my personal website I have created. See the home page, the profile, my educational qualification. See, I have added my professional experience added and some other videos I have added. I have separate page for my website experiences, professional experience and teaching experience and my publications and some events. What I have organized. I have organized some workshop. Click on, you will be seeing down and click. You can hide some other options. See, this is what you can add anything that you want. So same way. So hopefully I have completed all the options, whatever the necessary things that I want to show you. The last option I have to show you the settings. Now I have shown you all the 5 pages, how to create, how to insert the map, YouTube and slides, everything. Now I'm going to show you the settings options. On the top of the corner, you will be seeing the preview, share the link on settings. Go to this setting option. There are 5 options. Navigation. Navigation is nothing but the hyperlinks on the top, home, introduction, about, contacts. That navigation, if you want, you can make it on the top or the side. For example, I have changed in the side. See, now it is looking in the sidebar, not on the top. So this is called navigation. I prefer on the top. and the color transparent. You can just make it white. See, now the only on the top it will be changing the white color. So when you scroll down, it will be there always. Okay, what is the other option? Brand image. It is nothing but your logo. If you want to insert the logo, I'm going to show you some logo. I'm going to upload from my system or select from the internet. Upload from my local systems. This is my college logo, just for the demonstration purpose I'm using. Now I inserted the logo. Just see, inserted the logo. If you want to edit, you can change the logo, remove. Again, if you want, you can load anything else. So anything that you want, you can do it. Now the new logo. Okay. Then I'll just show you these two options. View tools. View tools is nothing but the home, your pages, it will be showing this icon, I. It is information. Like if you click pages, what it was, Google site, if you want, you can report abuse. This is what. Okay, the last option is customer URL. For example, my website as of now, it shows like sites.google.com, not like www. If you want to www, you have to check with your IT guy. You have to give the domain name where you purchased your college domain or your personal domain, like GoDaddy or BSNL or Airtel. So this, your IT guys will help you on this regard. What is analytics? The analytics is nothing but the number of pages your page is being viewed. This is little lengthy process. This you learn from the Google or you just take it later on. It will take more time. So these are the main setting options, mainly navigation and brand image. So now let me close down. You have the logo. Let me publish. I'm about to finish. Let me show you the final page.
Sundar sir,
Yeah, ma'am.
sir, remaining 5 minutes only, sir. For that.
I'm done, ma'am. I'm just going to finish.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So it is being published. I'm just refreshing my page. So this is what my page. Now I have my logo, my college name. If you scroll down, you'll be seeing all the text content. Let me refresh. Still it is loading. Yeah. So this is what my final page. I have designed in 45 minutes. This 45 minutes I'm talking and I'm teaching you. If I'm not doing, I can create this page within 15 minutes. If you have the content ready, only 15 minutes is enough to create the website. If you know all the options. So my humble request, you guys have to explore the options. There are so many options, you have to explore it. The home page, now the introduction. Go to introduction, you will be seeing the hyperlinks on the right. On the collapsible text, like you can hide, you can keep only the headings. So this is what collapsible text. About us, you can insert any number of videos, you can PowerPoint any sheets, then go to contact. You can insert map or anything. So any image you can, slideshow you can show. So this is what I have shown you, all the options I have touched. So if anything I have missed, you please go through by yourself. You can explore by yourself. It is so easy. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need any IT skills. That's it. I have finished and all the best for you guys. If you have any questions, you please feel free to ask. Dhanavadi ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now anyone having any doubts regarding the website creation, now you can ask to the resource person. Now I unmute you all. Anybody, anyone?
Sir, I'm Selvi. Sir, can I talk with you?
Hi. Yes,
Sir, am I audible, sir?
yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Tell me, Uma, ma'am.
Yes. Sir, you told that we have to select something from Google Drive or anything, YouTube and everything. For that, directly we have to click over that, and then it will be placed there. That is what I have understood. It will be in the screen. Then I have to go to the publish. Is it correct, sir? Or we have to put some other thing, add or some other thing, sir?
No, anything, ma'am. It is just like image. You have to insert same way video also you can take. Whether it is Google Drive means from already you have to save the things on your Google Drive. If you have any college video, anything you can save. If you don't have directly, if you want to take it from the YouTube, you can take. It will be play on your website. Once it is published, it will be there on your website.
Sir, before publication, you told publish, I have to click. Before that, right away I have to click over the image. Then it will come into the website, sir?
No, ma'am, it won't. Until you publish, it will not be there. Any hyperlink, anything
Sir,
will be
before that,
Nothing will
before that, I'm saying, sir, image, I'm click over that. Then what I have to do?
Once you click the image, you come
Yes.
down. There is an option, insert or the select.
Insert. Yes, that's what
Yeah,
I need.
insert
Thank you, sir.
or
Thank you, sir.
select. Then it will be
Sir,
appearing on the website. Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you,
It is
ma'am.
very
Thank you so
clear, sir. Very clearly you have explained. Now I
Thank
am
you,
from Vellore B.Ed College, sir, Government College of
okay.
Education. I am Dr. Selvi. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir,
ma'am. Thanks,
for
ma'am.
having
Thanks
it.
for your active participation. Thank you.
Uma, madam. Thank you very much. Any others? Any others? Anybody's?
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Sunil Kumar, sir.
Like I wanted to know whether any the
Yeah.
restriction in the website.
Oh, go ahead, sir.
I think many of the websites are Moodle, they are having giving a video site of 40 MB or 80 MB. When I'm giving a site and uploading it,
Sir, it is not been audible. There are so many noises behind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, you can please note down my mobile number. You can just call me later for.
Okay. Anufia.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Hello.
Please, ma'am, go ahead.
Sir, this is Anufia from VOC College of Education. I have to
Yeah,
thank
ma'am.
you, sir. Thank you so
ma'am.
much,
Thank you
sir,
so much.
for
Thank
your
you, ma'am.
session was very wonderful, sir. I think
Thank you,
we
ma'am.
had extremely a useful day. I am a beginner. Being a beginner, I have learned all the aspects. You have explained all the aspects with sharing every option, how to create a website, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for your spending your time with us and helping us to learn a lot. So your time is precious for us, and thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. All the best.
Excellent, excellent, sir. Sundar, sir. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, please, sir, go ahead, sir.
Sir, I'm Dr. Subramanian from Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University.
Welcome, Subramani.
Welcome,
I'm
sir.
the product of USC College of Education.
Oh, okay.
My intention is just to visit the organizer for organizing a wonderful program. And congrats, you are doing well.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
Sir,
Any other questions? Anybody wants to?
any others can share your experience? Please unmute your mic and
Sir, excuse me, sir. We all are
please, ma'am.
spending a lot to create the website for our college. For all the colleges are doing so. But after attending your class, I think each and everybody can do something for that. Very
Yeah, that's
easy,
true,
I
ma'am.
think. I have to go through. I have to have some experience then. But anyway, you share your phone number, sir. If I have any doubt, let me contact you and get some useful
Yeah,
matter
sure,
from
ma'am.
you.
Note down, or
Thank
even you can take it from Dhanavati ma'am later. I'll share you now. Note down.
Yes, sir.
60
Very simply, easily, you have explained everything.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. You please note down my number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's 3854
3854.
63854 97.
Sorry, 63
8.
584.
I will let me give it from the chat.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I will
Thank you,
take
ma'am.
it
Thank you,
from
sir.
that.
Yeah,
Okay,
please.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. All the best. Dhanwadi ma'am, any other questions?
I think no, sir. Any others?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we wind up the session, sir? Shall we end? Shall we end?
So much, ma'am.
தம்பி இன்னும் எங்க இருக்கிறான் மூத்தவன் அங்க தம்பி வந்திருக்காப்ல.
All the participants, thank you very much for your attending this session. The next session is starting at 12 p.m. Please join that session also. Thank you very much. Now you can leave from this room. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.
खाली वॉलेट लगा दे
டியூட்டி எப்படி டியூட்டி
लास्ट
சும்மா பண்ணிக்கங்க, ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. அது ஆரோக்கிய சேதுன்னு அடிச்சிங்கன்னா பிளே ஸ்டோர்ல போய் வரும். அதை சும்மா அதை வந்து டவுன்